Are you looking to drive revenue growth and take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage PartnerStack for maximum revenue growth. Stick around because I'll also reveal a special extended free trial you won't want to miss. So make sure to stay until the end. PartnerStack is a powerful platform designed to help businesses scale through partnerships and affiliate programs. Whether you're a business owner or an affiliate marketer, this tool can seriously boost your revenue by streamlining partner management, tracking performance, and optimizing your programs for maximum results. The first thing you need to know is that PartnerStack allows you to create a fully automated partner program with little hassle. Setting up a partner or affiliate program with PartnerStack is straightforward, and it gives you the ability to track, manage, and pay your partners all in one place. That's right, no more manual tracking or dealing with multiple platforms. Everything is centralized in one easy-to-use dashboard. To get started, you'll need to set up your partner program, and PartnerStack makes that easy with customizable templates. These templates can be tailored to fit your specific business goals, whether you're focused on referral marketing, SaaS partnerships, or influencer collaborations. When you customize your program, it allows you to attract and onboard partners that align with your niche and brand. But it's not just about signing up partners. The key to leveraging PartnerStack for real revenue growth is its powerful tracking and reporting system. You can monitor the performance of your partners in real time, so you know exactly where your revenue is coming from and which affiliates are driving the most traffic and conversions. With detailed analytics, you can optimize your partner strategy to ensure you're getting the highest return on investment. Another benefit of using PartnerStack is the seamless payment system. You can automate payouts to your partners based on their performance, ensuring that they get paid on time and without manual effort on your part. This keeps partners motivated and reduces the administrative load on your team. Now, here's the secret sauce. PartnerStack integrates easily with a wide variety of other platforms. Whether you're using HubSpot, Salesforce, or other CRM tools, you can integrate them with PartnerStack to create a smooth workflow between your systems. This integration reduces manual data entry and helps you scale your partner program without the growing pains. I can't stress enough how important it is to use a tool that can scale with your business. PartnerStack is designed with scalability in mind, meaning you can grow your partner program without running into bottlenecks. Whether you're just starting out or you're already working with hundreds of partners, PartnerStack grows with you. But here's where you can really take advantage. If you use the first link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial. This is your chance to test all these features out for yourself with no commitment. So, if you're serious about growing your revenue through partnerships and affiliates, PartnerStack is the tool to make that happen. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to optimize your existing program, PartnerStack provides everything you need for success. Don't forget, use the link below for your exclusive extended free trial. Start leveraging PartnerStack today and watch your revenue soar.